Here is the continued product review voiceover script. You're rushing out the door and realizing your video conferencing setup is a total mess, cluttered, outdated, and just plain frustrating. That's when you need something like the Yealink MeetingBar A50-031 video. Imagine having a comprehensive solution that takes care of it all. Triple 50MP cameras, for powerful 5W speakers, and 16 MEMS microphone array for crystal clear video and audio in medium to large rooms. The camera system is a game changer. With its triple eye setup, you get 98 degrees wide angle and 41.6 degrees telephoto views, plus 8x digital zoom for those hard to capture moments. And when you're done with the meeting, the electric privacy cover ensures a clean slate. Audio performance is where it really shines. 10-meter voice pickup range with stereo sound output and intelligent noise reduction technology that makes communication seamless. You'll be amazed at how much more professional you sound in just one call. Now, let's talk about some smart features that make all the difference. IntelliFocus adjusts the camera framing to keep everyone in frame. Auto framing ensures you're perfectly captured every time. Speaker tracking keeps your voice clear and crisp, and people counting helps you gauge the room size. With these capabilities, you'll be able to hold more confident meetings. But how does it connect? The Yealink MeetingBar A50-031 video has got you covered. Multiple ports including HDMI out, USB, Ethernet, and line-in/out, supporting various mounting options for desktop placement or wall mounting. You can fit it anywhere in your office and still enjoy the best possible video conferencing experience. One of the standout features is its built-in speaker system, perfect for small to medium-sized rooms. With 4 powerful 5W speakers, you'll be able to project a clear and crisp audio that complements your video beautifully. And with the line-in/out feature, you can easily connect external sound sources like a presentation device or a recording studio. The Yealink MeetingBar A50-031 video also features a range of connectivity options, including dual-band 2.4 GHz per 5 GHz Wi-Fi, Gigabit Ethernet, and USB-A and USB-C ports for easy connections to your devices. And with its compact design, you can easily place it on a desk or wall mount it in a corner. But what really sets this device apart is its compatibility with popular video conferencing platforms like Zoom, Skype, and Google Meet. It's also compatible with Yealink's own proprietary software, which allows for seamless integration with your existing workflow. In the real world, this means you'll be able to host large-scale meetings without breaking a sweat. Imagine hosting a team meeting that requires multiple cameras, speakers, and microphones. The Yealink MeetingBar A50-031 video makes it all possible. And let's not forget about the power supply. With its 150W cooling fan, it can run continuously for up to 24 hours on a single charge, ensuring that your meetings never get cut short due to technical issues. So what are you waiting for? Get your Yealink MeetingBar A50-031 video today and start experiencing the future of video conferencing. Your colleagues will thank you. With its cutting-edge technology and powerful features, you'll be able to work more efficiently and connect with others like never before.